Taking Kitty for a walk, part 1, go.
Aw, babe, look how much he loves it. He loves being walked. Let's go for a walk.
And that's what's good about him. He's athletic as well as fun.
Let's go for a walk. Yeah. Oh, look how much he loves it, man. Oh.
For all those watching, he is wearing a harness strap. This is not around his neck.
He reminds me of Herbert the Pervert dog.
Oh my God. Hey, Terrence. Are you having fun going on your walk?
Yeah.
You can't do this outside.
I think he's tired.
Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to startle you.
You can go for a walk
He
again?
loves his leash. Oh my God. Terrence, you look alive out there. Look alive. Come on, Terrence. Look alive. Look